The way we've worked in Photoshop to deal with unwanted areas of our picture has evolved quite a bit over the years. We've used clone tools and we moved on to selections with copy and paste for larger areas, but now Content Aware Fill does all those jobs and it does them better. Let's take a look. Now I think this image is a pretty good one to demonstrate Content Aware Fill. You can see where the problem is, obviously, and it's not unusual for us to be in this sort of situation in one image or another. So let's fix it by picking up one of the selection tools. Now it doesn't really matter which one we select, but I'm going to suggest that most of the time what suits me is the polygonal lasso tool, because I feel I can click and I can be a little bit more precise with this. And all I'm doing is making a pretty quick and dirty selection around the pixels that I'd like to remove. Back up to the top, as you can see, and there we have it done. Now we need to go to Edit at the top left of the screen and Content Aware Fill. Now this page gives us a number of different sections, as you can see. The section we can see here, which is our preview, is already telling us that Photoshop is doing a remarkable job here. So if we were happy to accept the changes that we can see in that preview section, we just need to click the OK button down at the bottom right, and we could open this up into Photoshop and say a job well done. But let's take a look to the left. What are the green areas? Well, the green areas are where the repair is being taken from. Sometimes Content Aware Fill doesn't get this perfectly right, but we can adjust this area because we have a tool here which is a simple brush, and we've got a plus and a minus. So if I found that one part of my image here was affecting the preview in a negative way, I can wipe away some of the selection points there, and then I can reevaluate what I can see in the preview section. For the vast majority of the time, the auto setting we can see over on the right hand side meets my requirements, I would say probably 19 times out of 20. Now if you don't get a good result in the preview section, and especially when you're looking at content of an image which is completely different to what we're seeing here, try the option on the right hand side. Just click the rectangular option and sometimes it'll make a significant difference. Here it doesn't seem to be doing much at all, so we'll stay with the auto. We do have a custom setting on the right hand side where we can paint into the areas where we want the repair to be taken from. So this is from, this is to, and then when we're happy we can click OK down at the bottom. We do get one or two choices here. We can output to a current layer, we can output to a new layer, or we can output to a duplicate layer. Your choice. Generally speaking, I find this is quite large enough for me to see, but of course if I want to make it bigger, I can put my cursor across that area and I can increase the size. So if I was happy with what I see here, then I would be happy to output to the current layer. Click OK, hit Ctrl D to remove that selection, and we've got a pretty good result. Now here, as you can see, I've got three separate areas, so I've added one selection to another. Edit, Content Aware Fill, a quick glance, and we can see we've got a pretty good job here. Click OK and we're done. And here's a quick tip I've used quite a number of times. Sometimes if the Content Aware Fill leaves a little bit of a mark, then go over it once again. Let's give Content Aware Fill a bit more of a challenge to finish this video. You can see the selection I've made. Let's go to Edit, Content Aware Fill, and take a look at the result. Better if we look at this full size in Photoshop, Control D will remove the selection, and we'll just zoom in a little bit on the sky and the foreground, and I can't see any issues with that whatsoever. As a result of some perspective changes in this infrared image, I'm left with a number of areas that I didn't want to crop out. But look what Content Aware Fill has done. A pretty good repair all the way around.